Welcome to the unboxing of the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, now this is what the box looks like, right? All the details are there, and this particular color is the obsidian color. Okay, so it's just a pale kind of blue. I hope the camera is doing it justice, but let's get in the box and see what is in there. So I'm gonna try and pull off this too, like that. Kind of have to dig in a bit. And then you should be able to slide it sideways. Is it? Let's see. Yeah. There you go. And then the inner box is very light brown. So let's get in here and see what is inside the box. So that's the phone, all right. And here we have paperwork and a SIM ejector tool. So that means this version comes with a SIM tray. Then you have the phone, which I'll put to the side for a moment. And you can see we have a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, right? So I'll put all that to the side. And let's go ahead and unpeel this. So there's a first look at the Google Pixel 10 Pro in obsidian blue. You have that stainless steel side, the G logo, the camera visor. That's what they're calling it. And yeah, that's the screen. That's as fingerprint free as you'll ever see this phone. Okay, Type-C charging ports, dual speakers facing down, and SIM tray at the top. Interesting. Okay, then you have the volume rockers on the right hand side, and then you have your power button, some antenna bands here, and that is basically your first look at the Google Pixel 10 Pro. All right, so in the next video I'm going to be starting this thing up and setting it up, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching and good luck.